Introducing the 7. We have two neighbors, Steve Singh, a common man with an office job from 9 to 5, who has a passion for gardening. Next, we have Jonathan, Steve Singh's neighbor, who also loves to garden. Alright guys, so here's the situation. Jonathan's plants are getting ruined, but Steve's are perfectly fine. So let's see what Jonathan was doing wrong.
Hey Jonathan, how you doing?
Hey, Steve.
Why are you so upset today? What happened?
Look at my plants, man. Look at them.
So what happened to them? They were like fine 2 weeks ago.
I know, they were good, not even 2 weeks. They were good for 7 months, and now they're ruined. All I did was just use this insecticide, man.
That's your problem. Try out this insecticide called 7. Come on, let me show you the results of it.
Come on, I gotta see this for myself, man.
Look, after you use the 7, this is your final result.
Wow, they're all like great. Amazing.
The 7 Industries leading insecticide remover is a tool that you definitely want a part of your gardening equipment. However, don't take our word, folks. We've got two specialists, Dr. Rai and Dr. Bansal, who've actually done quite a bit of research.
So the 7, one of the industry's leading insecticides that we guarantee will kill all the insects without harming your plants.
So how can we guarantee it? Well, at Bayer Pharmaceuticals, we have been studying and trying to make this insecticide as safe as possible for the common man since its discovery in 1958.
The invention of Carbro that makes up 7 has been a breakthrough as it got rid of chlorinated pesticides. Carbro is only toxic to insects and is used to control aphids, fire ants, fleas, ticks, spiders, and many other outdoor pests.
So what this chemical does is that it attacks the nervous system of the insects, and all they have to do is touch the chemical or eat it. However, the effects of it are temporary.
Now, to go really in depth of the chemical Carbro and show how the main chemical is made.
So what we really do is that we take methyl isocyanate, an organic compound with the formula CH3NCO, and treat it with 1/naphthalene, also an organic compound but a white solid with the formula C10H7OH. And this whole process makes it a synthesis reaction forming Carbro, with the final formula being C12H11NO2, making it a white crystalline solid. So how safe is the 7?
Well, it is one of the few insecticides in the market that has been detoxified and made sure to be removed rapidly from the vertebrate system. It is rapidly broken down by the liver and it leaves through the urine.
Even when sprayed, it does not stay in the soil for long and breaks down quickly, causing no harm to the plants or to underground water. We even conducted research to see the effects of just the chemical Carbro. So we took 47 workers who have been exposed to Carbro for the past year and found no significant changes in their testicular function when compared to 90 unexposed workers.
However, with any chemical there are some drawbacks, and if exposed to the chemical it can sometimes lead to headaches, nausea, and some other things depending on how much of it were they exposed to and for how long.
So now with anything, there is quite a lot of waste produced. So there were some chemicals that were very dangerous that were used to create Carbro. So 2 of them were methyl isocyanate and 1/naphthalene. So when we made Carbro just by itself, it's quite safe, but these 2 chemicals themselves were quite dangerous. So the waste that was really produced were the containers that contain these chemicals and the plastic that was used to ship out the Carbro, the chemicals itself. And there was quite a lot of pollution because these chemicals aren't just like, they're very natural. Even though they're organic compounds, they're not very good. And when we have Carbro by itself, it just can't be let sitting alone. So when you're done, so waste that contains Carbro should be burned in a high temperature incinerator with effluent gas scrubbing.
So become the millions of people using the best insecticide in Canada and across the world, so you can enjoy all the benefits of having a healthy garden, just like how Jonathan has one now. As you can see, it's a very safe product with very minimal effect. So buy the 7 today at your local retail store for $14.99.